Hashtag wow, hashtag out. You gotta take a look at this. Look at that. Love the car. Look at that. Look at that. Reminds me in it. It's like the coolest thing ever. Look at that. Check it out, how cool that is. Alright. Okay. You see that? That's how cars should look like. Alright, well, short video, as usual. More cuff stuff. Private sale. As usual, thank you for the 73 subscribers that stuck around. As always, let's get me to 2,000 subscribers so I can finally get paid to do stuff like this. Trees. As always, hope today sucks a little less. And as always, leave in a comment, what is the coolest car design you ever seen? See you next video.